Hello, welcome to Iceland Airways. How may I help you?
Why is my flight cancelled?
Yeah. I have to get home to my family in New York.
I'm sorry, I know this is very inconvenient, but there is not much we can do about it. The eruption of Eyjafjallajokull has caused thousands of flights to be cancelled within the past month.
How does a little ash cause this much trouble? Don't you guys fly through storms and conditions much more severe than this?
Ash plume from the eruption contains large amounts of microscopic particles of volcanic rock that can clog airplane engines and cause them to stop working.
Well, I would rather be safe than sorry.
I know this looks bad for us, but I bet the people living near the volcano are in much worse shape than just having their flight cancelled.
Many people near the volcano have had to wear face masks and goggles to protect themselves from the ash. I am not sure of all of the details, but let's watch the news to learn more.
Welcome to Iceland News with Nicole Smith. I am joined by Tessa Jones, an expert on the volcano activity that has been happening since April 14th. Tessa, this is a very scary time for many residents in Iceland and many people traveling through the air. Can you explain the history of this volcano and when we might see another eruption like this again?
Hi Nicole. Yes, this is a very scary time for many people, but keep in mind that this volcano hasn't erupted since 1823, so it will most likely not erupt again for a very long time.
Tessa, how are residents near the volcano being affected by this eruption?
Many local residents have been asked to wear face masks and goggles to protect themselves from the ash. Some residents have been asked to evacuate their homes in southern Iceland due to the flooding caused by the melting of the ice from the volcano. There is a large population of cattle farmers near the volcano who have had to evacuate their farms and have been warned that when they return, they should not allow their livestock to drink from streams or other water sources that have been contaminated.
How does this eruption affect the climate? I know that volcanoes tend to dump a lot of carbon dioxide into the air, and with global warming a constant issue, does this eruption cause a major setback?
Actually, the amount of carbon dioxide that has been saved from going into the atmosphere by thousands of flights being cancelled is significantly more than the amount of carbon dioxide that was put into the atmosphere by the eruption.
Wow, that is very interesting. I never thought that that could be the case. Lastly, Tessa, why is there a volcano in this area? What is the science behind the volcano?
Well, Iceland is on two tectonic plates that are at a divergent boundary. This means that the two plates are moving away from each other, causing the mid-Atlantic ridge, which has created this volcano on the coast of Iceland.
Wow, I'm so sorry for complaining about the cancelled flights. I see now that it is just for our safety, and we are very lucky compared to people living near the volcano.